Today we have a 2018 custom Ford F-250. This has a 6.7 liter turbo diesel with a whole bunch of custom additions. I'm so excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. Today I'm at Rockwall Ford in Rockwall, Texas. They were super generous to let me show you this Super Duty. Please be sure to give them a look. I'll leave all their information down below in the description box. If you're ever in the market for a Ford, please check them out. They have tons of vehicles available. This model we have is the Lariat. This 2018 Super Duty is a crew cab model. It's also 4x4, and like I said, with the diesel. Before we get started, I want to talk about the frame. As you know, if you have any interest in Ford pickups, they are going with aluminum bodies. But with this Super Duty right here, the weight savings that they have, approximately 350 pounds, they use to make stronger axles, steering, chassis components. It has an all-new fully boxed frame with 95% high-strength steel, which is actually 24 times stiffer than the previous frame. As we go take a look, these are power scoping mirrors, meaning they are power adjustable to slide out and fold, and they're just flat out massive. They even have spotlights on the bottom of them. Among the custom additions are 22-inch fuel stroke wheels, and those are put on 37-inch Nitto tires. We also have the FX4 package, which gives us hill descent, special tuned shocks, transfer case, and skid plates. Once we get around back, you can see another addition with this bumper. We have our rear bumper as a ranch hand horizon bumper. You've got lights, you've got hooks, you've got our towing ready to go. I've got a lot to show you with the bed as well. On the back, we also have a locking differential. Going right down below with this turbo diesel, we also have obviously a dual exhaust right there. What do you guys think of this look? This truck is very lean and mean looking. Let me know what you think down below. Moving to the front, we get a very straightforward, almost punching me in the face type of look. Over with these headlights, we get Ford's quad beam LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. We get different grills on each model depending what you get. Here on the Lariat, this is what you can see. Got Super Duty stamped right there on the front of the hood. I think that gives it a message. It looks pretty nice as well. Another addition with the custom additions on this truck is a ranch hand horizon front bullnose bumper right here. You've also got your winch, you've got your hooks, you've got lights down below. And in case you haven't realized, we have a 6-inch ProComp lift kit with a front steering stabilizer. What do you guys think of this truck being jacked up like this? This thing is ready to go and looks pretty rugged, if I must say. Powering this F-250 is a 6.7 liter V8 power stroke turbo diesel with 450 horsepower and 935 pound-feet of torque. That's almost twice as much torque as an F-150 EcoBoost. That amount of power will give you 17,500 pounds of conventional towing with this 4x4 model and 3,400 pounds of payload with this model. Maximum for Super Duty is 34,000 pounds of towing with the gooseneck and 7,630 pounds with the dually short bed, putting weight in the back. These all come with a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission, and the engine block is lighter and stronger than cast iron. As we move to the bed of the truck, we actually have the intelligent key system where we can double tap and open the tailgate, and it is a soft opening tailgate right here, as well as an easy close tailgate. We have LED lighting right here. You can turn it on with the push of a button from the bed or a push of a button from the cab. LED lights on both sides, as well as traditional cargo lighting LED right there on the cab. We've got a durable feeling bed liner in here as well. You can get a 6 3/4 bed length, what we have here, or an 8-foot cargo box. You can also do 5th wheel connection or a gooseneck, obviously. There are several tie down points, and it is customizable as well. I will show you the Ford tailgate assist step that we have on this truck. It's really simple. All you have to do is push the knob, pull out that handle, lock it in place, and it's spring loaded so you can step up nice and easy using the handle, step down nice and easy, and then you just push a knob, push that in, pull a lever, push that in, wait till it locks, and you just fold up the step, throw it in, nothing to it. Another feature we have getting into the cab is automatic running boards. These are AMP Research lighted running boards. They pop down nice and quickly, and they fold up for extra ground clearance when you don't need them. As long as you have the key fob for the intelligent system, all you have to do is put your finger on that button or slide your hand in the door. You can lock and unlock the door with no problem. As impressive as the F-250 is, with its towing, with its payload, with its power and torque. It is just as impressive once you move inside the cabin as well. In this crew cab, we have tons of space. There are soft touch materials everywhere. This thing can compete with the luxury car, honestly. As long as we have the key, we have push button start, foot on the brake, start it up right there. It's an 8-inch screen where you can see all kinds of information. As you can see right there, off-road, you'll be able to see your pitch and your angle. You can go over to your settings, and then there are our safety features right here. You can control all of that easily with the steering wheel. As I scroll through here, you can see all the towing information that you need. You even have trailer tire pressure monitoring system. You can even get an optional trailer backup camera. And on the back, on those tail lights, are where the blind spot information is for your trailer. More truck information here. You can change everything that you see. Of course, you get a trip computer, and then you can customize everything that you want right there. As you can see, the gauges up above, the oil pressure, temperature. You have your fuel gauge, of course, and then your turbo boost right there. Taking a look at the steering wheel, this is a nice, very soft feeling, still feels pretty durable steering wheel. It's a 4-spoke design. You can put your hand in the middle. As I showed you earlier, you have all your steering wheel controls for your screen right here, your volume, your radio controls, voice recognition over there. Going over to the door, watch. As I open the door, there go those running boards. They're super fast. You won't ever have to wait for them. You have a nice big soft armrest. You can see the cushioning right here. Big door handle, nice trim piece. You actually have 3-way memory seats. In addition to having memory seats, they are also heated, ventilated, like I said, 10-way power adjustable with power adjustable tilt telescoping wheel and pedals. No problem getting comfortable. Nice solid door slam. We can actually move the mirror. This is the power scoping mirror, which could come in handy big time when you're towing. We do have a column shifter with the tow haul mode button right up there, and you can adjust that right here. This is an 8-inch screen. This is the Sync 3 system, which lets you use third-party apps, navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and more, including voice recognition. As we have a 10-speaker system, and as long as you have the crew cab, you have a subwoofer with that as well. One really awesome thing here, hit the camera button right there. We have the 360-degree camera. As you can see everything all around you, and there's different angles you can go. Let me scroll through here. As you can see, tons of options, looking right out the front right there, looking down at the bed, as well as your auxiliary camera once you have that plugged in for your trailer. Nice big air vents right there. Gives you dual zone climate control, and this can actually be voice activated dual zone climate control. All of these buttons and knobs are pretty good size. They feel pretty durable. All of this is really easy to grab onto, even your 4-wheel drive controls right here. Going down below the air conditioning controls, we have a giant cubby right here with 2 USB charging ports right there. If you don't want that, or if you want to cover something up, you got a nice trim piece right there to cover this up. Going back, got 2 pretty good sized cup holders with some adjustable knobs inside of them. Couple big bins right here, but you can make this 4 cup holders just like that, no problems. Push it back out of the way when you don't need it. That is a pretty cool feature. Right next to that, you do have a little bit of storage right there. You can stick a couple items there. Moving over to the armrest, this is soft, it is padded, it is huge. We have a couple cup holders right behind it. In addition to that, when you open it up, you even get a couple pen holders on each side. You get a tray where you can stash some stuff. Big giant bin down below. As you can see, this is just mammoth. You'll be able to fit just about anything you need in here. Ford gives us an extra 12-volt power outlet, as well as a traditional 3-prong power outlet, 110 volt right there. We have an extra cubby right there, pop-up drawer, give you some extra storage space there, as well as a locking glove box right there, and an extra compartment right here. Going up above, you have your garage remote system right here. Ginormous visors with vanity mirror and lights. Those also slide in and out. We have upfitter switches right here, which allow you to attach aftermarket accessories, for example, like a winch, exterior lights, things like that, and you can control them with that. We get LED lights, you get a sunglass holder right there, as well as a button right here for a twin panel moonroof. And it has a carpet that you can slide halfway up, you can slide it all the way forward, or you can slide the glass back and have a nice giant moonroof available. Moving into the back, we still get a fairly durable material back here. It's not as soft as the front, but very durable feeling. Several storage cubbies in the door. Now everybody, I'm 5'9", and in the back of this crew cab, it is like a lounge back here. These seats are actually at a good height to where my knees aren't way up in my chest. I have plenty of foot space underneath the seat right there. That seat is in a comfortable spot for me. As you can see, no problem whatsoever. They don't call it a crew cab for nothing. You could literally fit a whole crew back here. You have a nice size seat in the middle. You don't even have a floor hump. In addition to that, get a fold down armrest right there. Pop out cup holders as well. In addition, we get vents for our backseat passengers. We also get those cup holders I mentioned earlier. Multiple power ports right there. There's a 12 volt. We get a couple more USB ports and another 3-prong 110 volt plug-in right there. Guys, I've got to show you this area back here. As you can see, you can fold this seat up. You can also fold that one up. You have a lockable storage compartment back here. This is definitely big enough to fit a lot of equipment. And it's nice that you have the split seat. You also have a super flat loading floor with tons of space in addition to what you have under the seat. So what did you guys think of this F-250? This thing is loaded. It's got some custom features. It's got a lot of stock features, things that come standard. Truly, if you need a heavy-duty truck, this is definitely one to consider. I want to say thank you to Rockwall Ford. They were super generous to let me show you this truck. They have a lot of models on the lot. Trucks, cars, SUVs, custom trucks just like this one. Give them a look in Rockwall, Texas. What was your favorite feature? What didn't you like? Let me know down below and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.